Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So anyway, printing and translation must continue. That is our main business. It cannot be stopped. Must go on. Just like persisting, now we have got so many Hindi literature. Simple persisting, very Hindi, very Hindi. It has come to some tangible form. I was simply poking him, very Hindi, very Hindi. He has brought into fact. Similarly, French language also very important. We must translate and bring books, as many as possible. Bring books means we have got already book. Simply translate it in the particular language and publish it. That's all. Idea is already there. We haven't got to manufacture idea. So France is a very important country. So printing and translation must go on. That is my request. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.